of me, all in my brain. Turn out the light and now all that remains fills me with doubt, and I'm shouting your name out loud. Why do you wanna put me through the pain? I get the feeling I'll never escape. I can't hide away from the shame of you. Tears on the ground, tears on my pillow. You won't bring me down, and I'll get over you. These tears will get me through, and I'll get over you.
Hi everyone, this is Rose from T.N.G Academy. Today we're gonna do some jazz. So this is my lovely assistant Yui. She's gonna help us today. So first we're gonna do the choreography by count. So one thing to keep in mind when we're doing jazz, there's a lot of throwing your body around. And in order to not fall over, you need to really engage your core, so your tummy muscles, okay? So really keep it in mind, keep your back straight, keep your tummy nice and strong, and try not to fall over. Okay, let's start. So we start on 1. So on 1, we're gonna go in, okay? So in this case, our back can contract a little bit, and your arms come whoop, like this. So you go 1. So on 1, you're in a little ball. 2, you're gonna jump out and sweep your arms. So your heels want to be up, okay? So really use your ankles, keep your ankles strong. So 2, 3, you're gonna go to the side. Same shape as the first one, but to the side. 3, 4, you're gonna jump out again, like this, same feet, and your arms are gonna go here. Cool. Okay, and then next, your head is gonna go, you're gonna come to the front, 5 and 6. Okay, 7, 8, and 1. You're gonna go 7, 8, and one more time in. 1, you're gonna jump out again, up. And your arms are gonna go left arm to out and right arm up. Okay, let's do that one more time. Ready, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, and 1. Yes, okay, let's move on. 1, you hold this until 2. 1, 2, kind of melt a little bit, 2. Next, we're gonna step with our right foot. 3, 4, and your left arm is gonna come up. 5. So don't drop your knee to the ground too hard. Most of your weight should still be on your front leg, and just gently drop your left knee to the ground, okay? So on 5, we're gonna hit the ground dramatically. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, both hands come down. Your right knee goes back, your left knee goes out. So you end up going like this. 7, 8, okay? So you have 2 counts, 7, 8. On 1, you're gonna hit the ground again. 1. Try to lift your back off the ground first. It makes it look bigger. Like this is small, but if you lift, push yourself up and hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, I lost the count. Okay, this is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your back leg, the one that's straight, this one, your knee, or you're gonna bend your knee and kind of push yourself up like this, okay? And your arms are also pushing back, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, you're gonna throw up. 5, 6, 7, you're gonna go 7, 8, your left knee comes up, 8, and you turn to the front, okay? Let's do that much. Okay, let's go from the top. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, back, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Okay, next, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so that's the count. So 1, 2, your arm is gonna come up like this, like you. 1, 2, 2. You keep this leg behind. 3, 4. You can drop your arm. Step, step. 3, 4. And 5. And so hand on your heart, I guess. And 5. Like get out of here. And 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. You go up. Try to go up with your heels too. 8. I'm gonna back up. 8. 1. You're gonna come down. 2. You're gonna slide to the left. 3. Cross. 4 and 5. You're going to step, 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 and do a turn. So it's left, right, left. Left, right, left. 6, 7, 8. That's the end. Okay? So let's go from let's go from here. 1, 2. Okay, let's go from here. 1, 2. Okay, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Go up. 1, 2, cross, 4, and 5. Okay, so this part, 1, everything is 1 count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. This is 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and 5 is the turn. Okay, so you're gonna have to try to count it a little bit in your head. So just remember, it's all 1 count. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then turn to turn. Okay, so let's do it from the top. Ready? From the top, let's go. I'm gonna back up because I keep going forward for some reason. Okay, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, push back, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, step, step, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Hey,